How to go live from Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Instagram. Going live is a great way to connect with your followers in real time and it's super easy to do. So let's get started. First things first, open the Instagram app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account before we get started. Once you're on the Instagram home screen, look at the top left corner of the app and simply tap on it to access the story and live broadcast feature. Simply tap on your camera. Now from there you can simply find various options like post, story, reel, live. Now simply tap on live. Now before you start, Instagram will give you various options to add a title, share with anyone like everyone or close friends, or you can also schedule your live video. Now what we need to do is simply do whichever you prefer, like you can also add filters or enable sharing options to your followers to share the live section. Once you're ready, simply tap on the middle screen and it will be started. During a live broadcast, viewers can comment and send reactions. You can interact with your audience in real time, which makes live streams so engaging. Once you're done with your live broadcast, simply tap on cross and simply click on end now to confirm to end the video. And that's it. That's how you can simply go live on Instagram.